Ah, the dreaded credit score, the ultimate test of financial responsibility. It's like trying to impress your in-laws, but instead of making small talk, you must prove that you're financially stable. Fun, right? But fear not, because we've got some tips to help you boost that credit score and impress those loan officers. So sit back and relax. Here are tips to boost your credit score. Make sure to subscribe and like this video to support our channel. Let's dive in. 1. Pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is like brushing your teeth. It's not glamorous, but it's necessary. I mean, no one wants stinky breath or a crappy credit score. So set up automatic payments or tattoo the due date on your arm. Just don't be late. 2. Reduce your debt. Debt is like a bad ex. It keeps you up at night, makes you feel guilty, and drains your bank account. To improve your credit score, break up with your debt. Plan to pay it off and stick to it. Attack one debt at a time and double up on payments if need be. 3. Use credit responsibly. Using credit responsibly is like taking care of a pet. You must feed it, give it attention, and clean up after it. And just like a pet, if you don't take care of your credit, it will bite you in the butt. So, don't max out credit cards, keep balances low, and pay off balances in full each month. And if you can't handle it, don't use them. 4. Monitor your credit report. It's like checking your teeth for spinach after a meal. You don't want to walk around with a big old piece of spinach in your teeth, and you don't want to walk around with errors on your credit report. So get a free credit report and dispute any errors you find. You'll be glad you did. 5. Don't close old credit accounts. Closing old credit accounts is like burning bridges. It feels good in the moment, but it'll haunt you. Keep old credit accounts open even if you don't use them. It helps by increasing the average age of your credit accounts. Plus, you'll never know when you might need them. 6. Avoid opening too many new accounts. It's like trying to juggle 10 flaming torches. It's impressive, but it's also dangerous. Opening too many new accounts at once can make it look like you're financially unstable, which is a red flag for creditors. So, focus on using your existing credit accounts responsibly and only open new accounts when necessary. And if you need help juggling, call the circus. Improving your credit score might not be a walk in the park, but it's not rocket science either. By paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, using credit responsibly, monitoring your credit report, keeping old credit accounts open, avoiding opening too many new accounts, and working with a credit counselor if necessary, you can improve your credit score and live happily ever after, financially speaking at least. That concludes our video. If you enjoyed this content, please comment, like, and share. Also subscribe so you don't miss our Friday series on the steps to achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching.